Hi friends, today I am going to cover more form command in this Fusion 360 software. In this video, you are going to learn basic parts of the form command. Form command is used basically for the surface modeling, where you can divide the extruded part into the sections accordingly and then you can make surface according to your mind. Here we will use form command for extruding and revolve. Firstly we make a sketch, then we extrude and revolve according to our need. So please follow me step by step on how to use these commands. In this video, we will cover only basics, and in next videos, we will go for the modeling of the cars and some other products, like how to make mouse and trimmer by the help of this command. So friend, your drawing is completed now. Friends, if you like the video, then please like, share and please subscribe to my MechUjala YouTube channel.